Alright guys, Richard here. Guys, I looked and I looked and I looked some more and I finally found something that I needed from the grocery store. Yeah. So here I go. So remember the days where, you know, you make a grocery list and you keep adding to that list, and then when you have enough stuff to justify driving down to the grocery store to go shopping, then you do, right? Well, these days for me, you know, I find something that I kind of need, and instead of just doing with that, I just like, oh yeah, I get to go to the grocery store, and I jump on the bike and here I go. So yeah, I only need like 2 items, but I'm gonna go. So let's take a quick look here at the sky though. Look at the sky over here behind us. Now that is not coming our direction, supposedly. So future radar says it's going to rain in about an hour and a half, but we'll see. Luckily the grocery store is only 1.5 miles down the road, so we'll just zip down there, do what we got to do, and then come back. Might go a little faster than what I normally would. Got that cruise control kicked in now. We are spinning along about 29 miles an hour. Crazy fast, huh? It's late in the afternoon. We got a lot of traffic. Yeah. So, you know, I keep having people ask questions about if I'm allowed to be on the sidewalks or not. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a scrolling banner that I can list. You know, I can stick out on my the bottom of each of my videos, and it'll just keep on scrolling across the bottom of your screen there saying, yes, I'm allowed to be on the sidewalk. Yeah. A lot of people have told me they wish they could. I know most places don't allow you to do that. I get it. Yeah, I do. But a lot of people wish they could. And then some people just say, no, you know, I don't think you guys should be on the sidewalk at all. And yeah, I understand that too, especially places where the sidewalks are crowded and there's just not many, you know, there's a lot of people around. That's completely different, you know. But look, my sidewalks are always wide open because I'm mostly in a rural area, number one. Number two, it's usually so blazing hot here, people don't like just walking around. So yeah. So we're not crossing the street this time. I believe we're going to be just shooting on along here. Ooh, I saw some lightning. I hope this doesn't turn out to be a bad idea. But along that front, way over there, I just saw a flash of lightning. I'm not sure if you saw it. The lightning bolt. All right, so here's our construction zone that we've been working around for a while, but you know what? We are going right on through here. This is going to be turned into a turning lane. And eventually they'll build a sidewalk, but right now we don't have one. So what are we going to do here? I've got to hop the curb. Yeah. Tire didn't want to spin up and get around there. Oh, here we go. Yeah. All right. somebody on a mobility scooter. So anyway, what were we talking about? I don't know what we were talking about. It was just an excuse to get out, right? So I was out earlier riding the Addmotor M81 cargo bike, cruising through the neighborhood, still getting familiar with it. Got to take it out for a couple of long rides, and then I'll do a review on that one. So, oh yeah, I'm hearing a little thunder now. Woo. So here's the question: am I going to beat the rain? Am I going to make it? Oh no! We might just find out how well the Magicycle deer does in the rain if I miscalculated. You know, I trust the weather radar a little too much, because we all know that weather is just, in a lot of places, can be so unpredictable. Yeah, I'm still hearing thunder. Woo, we gotta get going. All right. Come on, light. Somebody's coming. I hear them. There they are. That light is just not going to turn for us. All these people are going to go, and then the traffic is going to come across, and then we're going to go because no one else is turning. No one's in the turning lane. Yep, there we go, finally. All right. School's getting out. Here come school buses. We've got people getting off work. It's almost 4 o'clock. No one coming from my left, so I'm going to zip out here. Just like this. And then we're going to get up on the sidewalk right here, because it's the best place to do it. And get over to our bicycle rack. How's it going?
Good.
I like it. Mindbot. I've got a Yadia. I like it. All right. I can scoochy over here. Get my chain out. Okay, I'm just going around the rack this time. Kind of hard to take that rack off, and that's the closest I got, and that's the easiest. Get that in there. Get that secured. All right, we should be good for now. Close it in my bag. Nope, that's good. All right, guys. Ooh, I'm still hearing thunder. Oh no. Oh no. We may or may not make it home in time. Come on, open door. Crazy around here. Guys, I'm digging this bag. I am digging that little bag. Alright. No rain yet. Ooh, those dark clouds are getting closer though. Okay, that guy's going slow. We'll wait for him. We'll wait. No one coming to my right, so we're going to stay on the street. I could almost squeeze past everybody, but I'm not going to do that. I don't want to be that guy, you know. I'm hearing rumbling behind me. Those dark clouds are still rolling in close. Yeah, it's supposed to get a lot of rain this afternoon. They had been predicting like quite a bit of rain all week, but so far it's been relatively mild. You know what? If I go off here, I'm gonna have to go over that sidewalk over there, so I might as well get down right here and then go this way. Yeah, so they were predicting a lot of rain all week, and it hasn't. So suits me just fine. I mean, I like rain, but rain does interrupt the riding. We've dated it though. Yeah, we should be fine. Some really dark, ominous clouds to our right, which is to our south, but we're good right here. So I picked up a couple things, headed home. Maybe I'll edit this video and get it out tomorrow. Maybe I won't. I've made a couple of videos recently that I ended up not posting, just interrupted, didn't finish them. Sort of thing. But I think I've been doing pretty good with getting stuff out. I'm trying to get stuff out at least every other day or something, sometimes every day. I'm not on a schedule like, some folks, they're on a pretty strict schedule, and supposedly YouTube likes that when people are on a pretty specific schedule, but no, my life is just too unpredictable. I can't do that. Can't commit to a schedule. I just do what I can do when I can and not worry about it. No one behind us. Shooting across. Hello. Kind of rare finding people along this stretch. I am seeing more and more e-bikes though, I'll tell you that. So, in my neighborhood, my friend Tom, he now has one. A lady in the cul-de-sac across from us, she bought one, so she's got one now. And my new friend Ron, who is made an appearance on a recent video, I've actually spoken to him a couple of times. He came down, did some riding with me, and he's wanting to go ahead and pick something up here real soon. Sounds like he wants the Magicycle deer. There's my friend Keith. I haven't convinced him to buy one yet. He's my neighbor. He lives right beside me. Ooh, look at that sky back there. Oh my goodness. Let it roll on in. I'm home now. Alright guys, that's it for this quick grocery run. Hey, who needs an excuse to get out and ride, right? I mean, it helps sometimes to have an excuse, but I don't need an excuse. I try to ride every day. I've been out twice today. Yeah, I've been out twice today already, so. Anyway, if you're new here, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll see you in another video soon.